Hello students, today we will learn chapter 4 from the First Flight book. The title of the chapter is From the Diary of Anne Frank and it is written by Anne Frank only. Before we proceed further, let me give you a brief introduction about Anne Frank. Anneliese Marie Anne Frank, 12th June 1929, February-March 1945 was a German-born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. So Anne Frank was born on 12th June 1929 and died in 1945. She was a German-born Jewish girl and she wrote a diary while she was hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam. And she wrote this diary during the Second World War. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. And this Anne Frank and her family, they were moved to Amsterdam during the Second World War because Nazis got power in Germany. But they were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands also. As persecutions against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. And they all were trapped in Netherlands also, and that is why they moved to now Anne Frank's father's office in 1942, and they hid in a office room of Anne Frank's father. And what was the father of Anne Frank's name of the Anne Frank's father? Otto Frank. And Otto Frank's office building was there, and all the family members of Anne Frank and her 4 friends, they all were now hid in the office building of Otto Frank. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system where Anne died of typhus in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister, Margot Frank. And they all were there only in Otto Frank's office for 2 years. For 2 years, they all were there only in hiding position. But this group was betrayed then afterwards, and they were then transported to the concentration camp. And there, this Annie died because of typhus. And after the death of her sister's death, and what was the sister of Anne Frank? Margot Frank. So first her sister died, and then after Anne Frank died. Her father Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended to find that her diary had been saved. And after the Second World War, when the Second World War ended, only from that group, only Anne Frank's father, Otto Frank, only was the survivor. He only could save his life, and that is why after the end of the Second World War, he again went to Amsterdam. There he could find the diary of Anne Frank. Convinced that it was a unique record, he took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. And he thought that it is only the unique record of his daughter, and that is why he took lot of action to publish this diary under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. So now Anne Frank's diary was published with a title, The Diary of a Young Girl, and from this diary only this small part of this chapter is given into our syllabus. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicled the event of her life from 12th June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. And this diary was given to Anne Frank on her 13th birthday as a gift. And in her diary, while they all were hidden in Netherlands, in Amsterdam, That time she wrote all the chronicle events, whatever she experienced in her life, that was given in detail in her diary from 12th June 1942 until the final entry of 1st August 1944. While we are writing diary, we used to mention a date. So it is the unique record of Anne Frank that she started writing her diary on 12th June 1942 until the final entry of 1st August 1944. So for 2 years she wrote a diary and all the experience of her life. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. And actually, Anne Frank wrote this diary in Dutch language, in her mother tongue. And after the death of Anne Frank, while this diary was published under the name of the Diary of a Young Girl, that diary was then translated into many languages and became the world famous book, and it was widely read book also. There have also been several films, televisions, and theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary. And lot of varieties of dramas, varieties of theatrical productions, and several films were made based on this diary of Anne Frank. Described as the work of a mature and insightful mind. And in this diary, we can see that Anne Frank was a mature girl also, an insightful mind girl also. Means she was very clever and sharp-minded girl. The diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. Holocaust victim means disaster. So, who became the victim of long last disaster? Anne Frank, because of the Second World War. She died because of the Second World War, because of this fighting and all, because of the war and all. And she became the most renowned personality also because of her sharp mind, because of her maturity. And this diary provides us intimate examination of daily life under the Nazi occupation. So she was trapped, she was under the rule of Nazis, then only she could have guts that she could write down uh, the experience of her life in the diary. Thank you and have a nice day.